In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPhone's vibration stopped working after the iOS 26 update. Now to fix this issue, just go to Settings, and from here just scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on Ringtone. Now from here just go to the top of this list and tap on Haptics. Now if the haptics on your iPhone is set on None, the haptics will be disabled. So make sure you select any of these vibration patterns. And after you do that, the vibrations for your ringtones will be enabled on your iPhone. Now after that, just go back and tap on haptics. Now if it is on never play or play in silent mode, just select always play. Now after you've done that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on accessibility. Under the accessibility settings, just scroll down and tap on touch. Now on this page, you will find the option for vibration. Now if the toggle for vibration has been disabled over here, all the vibrations on your iPhone will be turned off. So make sure you enable this toggle if you want to turn on the vibrations on your iPhone. Now after you've done that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings and tap on General. From here, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. But if this also did not work, then just go back and under the general settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from here, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now by doing this, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if the vibrations are not working after the iOS 26 update. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.